came off of the tappet plate. That's what happened there. Because I looked underneath here, and your loading nozzle should go back and forth when you shoot it. Didn't move at all. And there's a tappet plate that it's connected to. And it probably just came off. What? That's right, because we screwed that real quick.
Hey everyone, we're in Westwood today. We're going to be playing out here in the old mill. It's Airsoft Sunday finally. We got Charlie here. He's trying to get this gun working again.
Well, I guess I'm charging nothing, so I don't know what he's going to tell him. What's going on, I guess. It's a little different doing it on the tailbed of a tree.
It's an RPK. What'd you bring?
Actually, you know what? Yeah, no, such my dick. Yeah, Sam, pick you. Hello. Chris.
Box man.
Smaller Chris. No, wait, what Chris? Chris Wheels. All right, Jesse. Go my team.
What? That is cool. Hey, Dad, have you seen that guy's gun? It's small with a big box man.
Alright, we're getting ready to start. It's almost time. The other team's headed out to the hobo bunker. We're starting here at the pump house. And we're going to kick their asses. Shoot that kid. Shoot that kid! He did! He just
They're from the towers. I know exactly where they're at.
What?
They're right there at the towers.
Yeah, I know.
They're still around. Yep. They're coming. See him. He's short. Got him. Alright.
Got a guy pinned down just over there. Got more guys over there. Let's get this fucker. Oh, he's trying to unload.
There's fucking respawns?
There should be. Well, we never established it though. I just go for it, man. This guy is way too far away. Yeah, you see me, I see you. That's a hit.
One more captain.
Anybody want to be
Cody
a
should
captain?
do it. Cody, come on. Come on.
Anyone?
Come on.
Dinner first.
Jesse just volunteered
Right.
Volunteer yourself, man.
Alright. Do I got a orange blinking light?
Yeah.
Okay. Got one right around this corner, not two.